Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to take a shortcut. A shortcut in transforming your Figma designs into Framer prototype within just using a click. So, without further ado, let us explore how you can achieve this. Let's move. Okay, so we are here on our Figma. On the screen you can see that I have already designed one kind of a landing page for you so that we can quickly jump over to the plugin and explore what the plugin is all about. Now this is already created and this is kind of responsive. The vision I had for creating this is already made, and once you will use this plugin you will understand that why responsiveness is important. Because if you are not creating this design responsive, then it would be harder for you to create things on Framer. So once you have made a particular section, because right now I have created the desktop version responsive, and once I created this, after that I move on to Framer using that plugin, and then afterwards I created the tablet and mobile version. So once you have one set of screen made responsive, then it is easier to proceed on further level. Once we will move on to Framer, you will get to understand about this concept as well. Now let us move on to the plugin. On the resources section you can just search this Figma to Framer plugin, and this plugin will pop up. Once you click on it, it shows loading Figma to HTML with Framer, and it will ask you to select a layer to copy. So what design you want to copy to Framer. So we will select this hero frame, and this is selected, and we will move on to Figma to Framer because earlier it was not selected, and it shows that it is copying all the layers. So whatever layers we have on the design, it will copy all of them, and once it is copied, it will show you an option of paste in the Framer. And once you have this, then you can okay, so we are here on our Figma not Framer canvas, and we will just paste the design that we copied earlier. We will press Ctrl V and you can see a message. Okay, so it is already been made. So this is the frame that we have copied earlier from Figma, and we have got it here, and you can just move on to the layers panel. You can see the properties that we already named in Figma, and I have already created the responsive version as well, and you can see this, and this is a site which is already running live right now. So I will post the link of this site also in the description, so you can also check this out, and you can just see that how easy it is to now convert your Figma designs into a live prototype. Now if you will hit this preview button, you can also see that this is live, and you can just check, as well as it is responsive. So if you increase the screen size or decrease, then the things are becoming responsive. And just also go on to the full version, and you can just see. Now there are further kind of tasks that I perform. For example, adding this multilingual feature so that the website also goes live in Hindi, and also link the buttons so that you can also get the button from this website as well. So if you click on this plugin, then you will just head over to the Figma community and you will get this plugin. And if you had this watch tutorial version, so you will land once again on this channel. So this is kind of made responsive. Alright, so this was it from my side. If you like the content, what you see, then just give us a like, and for more such tips, for more such content regarding Framer, regarding UI UX, regarding web design, then you should probably give us a subscribe as well, because web designing is simple. So let's keep it simple and make it simple. Goodbye.